This compressor dehumidifier keeps spaces up to 4,500 square feet cool and comfortable by removing 50 pints of moisture per day, 70 pint according to the old dose standards. In 2019 this was classified as 70 pints and it now needs to be classified as 50 pints, but it removed the same moisture as the old 70 pints. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact but powerful. At just 40 pounds, it fits discreetly in most spaces. Durable, smooth rolling caster wheels ensure portable ease. And you can customize air regulation with 2 fan settings for effective moisture removal in areas up to 4,500 square feet. Number 2. Breathable Comfort and Clean. Our innovative filtration and evaporation system ensures a safe and pleasant atmosphere by preventing mold, mildew, and structural cracking, and safeguarding your family against allergens, mites, and asthma triggers. Number 3. Relief from the heat. Remove up to 50 pints of moisture a day for relief during humid months. Simply empty the high-capacity 1.3-gallon reservoir upon auto-shutoff. Check the level indicator or hook up the optional hose for continuous draining. Number 4. Tech-savvy system. A smart Ivation design lets you control moisture levels with a simple LCD interface. Check the humidistat. Set your ideal levels, adjust fan speed, program the 24-hour timer, and receive important filter and reservoir alerts for no-hassle operation. Number 5. Efficient. Users will enjoy our humidifier's multiple green features, including energy-saving auto-shutoff, timer, and cleanable filter. With an Ivation humidifier, you can go green and never feel blue. Number 6. Built-in humidity sensor. The LCD accurately displays the current humidity level in the room, enabling you to set your ideal levels for automatic moisture control, allergens, and odors for healthy air. Number 7. Low maintenance and easy operation. Simply plug in, select settings, and empty 1.3-gallon reservoir. Number 8. Bright LED display indicates humidistat and setting, fan speed, timer, filter alert, and more. Number 9. Highlights include eco-efficiency, casters, auto defrost, and auto restart, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.